Okay, we'll just keep adding to the bill of materials. There are a lot to do, so let's, now that you know the process, then we can just chug along with it, yeah. Okay, so we'll go into components, or rather manufacturer part search. This is the fastest way. And, if you're starting off as a printed circuit board designer or hardware engineer at a company, entry-level position, most of the times you're going to start off creating library components, okay, or downloading them nowadays. It's not very common for basic devices to have to, like for capacitors and resistors, it's very rare that you have to make them from scratch nowadays. Just download them from online. Okay, I'll add the height to this capacitor, and I'm gonna make sure I change the name to something I recognize from my library, right? So highlight this text, okay, and then highlighting the text, I will add this. Then I can save this part to my server and new capacitor. You can put the name and the manufacturer part number. Okay, so this part's it's being added to my library, and it's been added. Remember to confirm, always verify that the component has actually been added by looking for the manufacturer part number, seeing if it gets pulled up like with the name that you specified it to be in your library. It did. So I can search for it via the name or the manufacturer part number. Then you would go to your list and check mark it as being done.